Hey, how is everyone today? Just a short video on a product that I've been using for 20 years that I want to bring to you guys, and it's called Blue Streak Chemical. And what it is, it's an RV black holding tank chemical, but what's unique about it is it comes with a system that mounts behind your RV toilet, and each time you flush, a small amount of this liquid is put into your RV toilet and into your black holding tank. And it installs in under 15 minutes. There's no electric or wires or anything needed. It's simply a reservoir that mounts to the wall and one line that goes to your incoming water. I actually did a video on it a couple years ago. I'll leave a link up here if you're not familiar with this system. It shows you how it works and how it's installed. But what I've done is I've reached out to the company and I was able to get a 10% off coupon for their products through the month of March for my subscribers and everybody watching this video. Now, I'm not affiliated with Blue Streak. I do not get paid by Blue Streak. This is just a product I'm bringing to you. I actually bought this bottle with my own money. No one sent it to me for free. This is, again, just a product that I've been using for 20 years. I'm real happy with it, and I was able to get a coupon for my subscribers. So if you are a user and you want to stock up for the season, or if you're not a user and you want to give it a try, you're going to go to bluestreakchem.com. I'll leave the link down here, and use coupon code RVHabit10 during checkout. And it applies to all their refills and their single refill dispenser. So again, it's a great time to try it, 10% off. I'll leave all that stuff in the description also, and if you have any questions, you can hit me up in the comments. But as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you soon. 10% off coupon from the to you to take it. Isn't it like? Okay. Do something. I don't know what. Okay. But again, I'm lost and I don't know how. I can't make a simple 1-minute video. Cleans.